Physical activity is one of those things that I make sure I don't miss. Even though I do only 15 minutes of workout in the evening, but I make sure that I make the most of it. But doing exercise is not enough for our body. In fact, we should make sure that we keep ourselves active throughout the whole day, like I do. For example, even though I do exercise in the evening, but I still manage to walk at least 5,000 to 7,000 steps on a daily basis without a miss. So, exercise is not enough until we keep ourselves active throughout the day. In this video, I'll be sharing what are the benefits that our body get if we keep ourselves active, what are the different types of physical activity that we can do on a daily basis, and how much physical activity should we do in order to keep ourselves fit and healthy throughout the life. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal, well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Now, what physical activity actually means? Let me explain you this in a very simple way. Physical activity is a type of movement which includes everything from doing a high intense workout to everyday activities like walking, running, cycling, swimming, or other household activities as well. So, if we are using our own body's energy to burn calories, then only we can say that we are being physically active. Basically, in simple terms, physical activity is any type of movement in which we are burning our calories and preventing ourselves from being sedentary throughout the whole day. Nowadays, sitting has become a new disease that is affecting a lot of people. And so, in order to keep ourselves active and away from this particular disease, we should engage ourselves in different types of activities like walking, running, cycling, stretching, or doing any type of exercise that is preferable for our body. So, we should make sure that we keep our body active throughout the whole day in order to maintain our overall health. As we all know, physical activities are of different types and we should perform only that type of exercise that suits our body because all of our body's requirements are different, and so we should choose the right type of physical activity accordingly. So, let's jump into each of these physical activities one by one in more detail. So, the first one is aerobic activities, which includes walking, my favorite one, swimming, running, dancing, cycling, or doing different types of household activities as well. These activities can improve our heart as well as lung health. So, aerobic activities are very simple to perform but are very effective if we do them with proper consistency. Next up is strength training or resistance activities. This type of activity includes push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, and weightlifting as well. These activities can actually build up our muscles and boost up our metabolism as well. So, strength training is a little bit harder than aerobic activities but is really great for increasing our muscle mass. The third one is balance training. It includes planks, pilates, yoga, and stretching exercises. These activities are great for both flexibility and balance, which are excellent for keeping us fit and healthy as well. So, out of these, What are the physical activities that I do on a daily basis? First one is walking, which I make sure I don't miss even a single day. Then comes different types of exercises like push-ups, planks, squats, lunges, stretching, and some other strength training exercises as well. I have been doing all these exercises for almost 4 to 5 years and they have been working wonderfully. So, do try these exercises for yourself if you haven't without a miss, and if you don't have time, then do at least 10 minutes of exercise every single day so that you can make yourself fit and fine and can prevent yourself from being unhealthy, because that's what I am doing in order to keep myself healthy. As we all know, physical activity is not only crucial for our physical health but also for our mental health. And so, if we are keeping ourselves active throughout the whole day, we can easily avoid things like stress, chronic stress, especially anxiety, and in some cases, depression as well. So, we should keep ourselves active in order to maintain our mental health. Physical activity can keep us away from many chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even cancer. Also, if we are doing physical activity on a daily basis, then we can avoid problems like sleep deprivation and insomnia as well. So, physical activity is very helpful in keeping away all the chronic diseases and improving our sleep quality at night. Doing exercise can build up our muscles and make them more stronger than before. And we all know muscles are needed to keep our bones healthy and long lasting as well. So, physical activity can keep our bones as well as muscles healthy. Research suggests that if we are not being sedentary, instead we are keeping ourselves active, then we can actually fasten the process of weight loss, or should I call it fat loss. And if we are being active every single day, then we can also increase our longevity by reversing the process of aging. Isn't that great? Exercise can also boost up our immune system and enhance its functioning as well. That is, our immune system can easily fight off all the infections that are there inside our body. Also, we can avoid one of the most common cause behind almost all the chronic diseases that are out there, that is inflammation. And we can easily achieve this by keeping ourselves away from sedentary lifestyle. A study suggests that being physically active can significantly improve our gut health. A research study also proved that physical activity can actually make our gut bacteria more diverse and more friendly, which is of course excellent for our gut health. So, let's summarize it all. Physical activity is important for our physical health, mental health, brain, heart, cells, immune system, gut health, bones, muscles, weight management, stress management, sleep, and for reversing our aging as well. In order to keep ourselves healthy, fit, and away from chronic diseases, we should add physical activity in our daily routine. Now, when I was in my fitness journey, I researched about this particular question a lot of times, which was how much physical activity does my body require? First thing first, we all are biologically different, and so the requirement of physical activity will be different for all of us. But many studies have given a common parameter which is suitable for every individual. Those studies have suggested that we should perform at least 150 minutes of physical activity every single week. Now, in that 150 minutes, we can perform any type of activities, either brisk walking or running or cycling or swimming or weightlifting or any other physical activities that is preferable for our body. But we should aim for at least 150 minutes of physical activity per week in order to keep ourselves healthy and fit. Like I mentioned before, walking is my favorite type of physical activity because walking is something that does not require a lot of efforts but is still effective in many ways. If on some day I do not have time for my workouts, then I make sure that I walk at least 30 minutes instead of doing workout at that moment so that I can keep myself active. Many research papers have proved that walking is the easiest, low impact activity yet a powerful exercise that can be done by most of the people without any excuses. Many recent studies have shown that even brisk walk for 30 minutes can lower down the risk of having type 2 diabetes and can also reverse it as well. Isn't it fascinating? Just walking for 30 minutes every single day can boost up our mental health by keeping us stress free and improving our sleep quality at night. Brisk walk can also increase our life expectancy and keep us healthy by making us disease free as well. What I believe is, if we neither have space nor time to perform our exercises, then we can instead walk for at least 5,000 to 10,000 steps daily in order to keep ourselves healthy and fit. But this doesn't mean that walking alone is enough to keep us healthy and we don't need exercise. In fact, I believe every single physical activity has its own significance on our overall health. And so, we should perform different types of physical activities throughout the whole day to keep ourselves active and fit. In conclusion, I would like to say that we don't have to make physical activity a very hard or difficult work. In fact, we should make it a part of our daily routine. Instead of being sedentary throughout the whole day, we should take an initiative by getting up after every 1 to 2 hours of interval if we are sitting for a longer period of time, and we can do either stretching, jumping, squats, push-ups, sit-ups, walking or any type of movement at that time. Isn't it that simple? We really should be aware of what our body actually needs in order to keep it healthy throughout the whole life. So, don't wait for tomorrow and start today itself, because problems will not wait for us. So, start today by keeping yourself physically active throughout the whole day in order to ensure overall wellness. Time for an amazing fact. Even just 2000 steps daily can improve our overall health, as it can lower down the risk of premature aging and cardiovascular diseases as well. So, as small as 2000 steps can provide our body with greater benefits. So, be active. Comment down below what are the different types of physical activities that you do in order to keep yourself active throughout the whole day. If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family to make them physically active as well. And if you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be updated. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. And remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.